Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to First PUC Statistics online classes. In the previous class we had discussed about what is multiple bar diagram, and we also discussed about what is multiple bar diagram with the help of example. Now let's move to problem number 2. So problem number 2 is draw multiple bar diagram from the following data. So here given informations are years are given and productions are given. So productions are wheat and rice. So years are 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009 and 2010. See here productions are wheat and rice. See here wheat is one set of observation and rice is one set of observation. Here wheat and rice are interlinked in the year 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009 and 2010. Okay, now let's see how to draw multiple bar diagram for this given set of observation. And we know that the diagrams are like this. And see here this is x-axis. So I will draw like this. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. See, so here x-axis along with the years and y-axis along with production. So here I will write production and here I will write years. So here given years are 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009 and 2010. So that I will write 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009 and 2010. And see, so here before doing bars on this diagram, so we need to write title for this question. So here see the question. Question is draw multiple bar diagram from the following data, and here given informations are year and production. So here which title is suitable? So here suitable title is multiple bar diagram representing production of wheat and rice in different years. So title is multiple bar diagram representing production of wheat and rice in different years. So here given years are 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009 and 2010. And for drawing y-axis I will take the scale for y-axis. See the observations are like this. Therefore here suitable scale is, I will take 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. See, so this origin is 0. So here 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. Therefore I will write 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, I will stop here and see. So now Okay, see, in the year 2005, the production of wheat was 12 ton. So, in the year 2005, the production of wheat was 12 ton. So, 10 is here, 12 comes here. So, here I will mark like this. This bar indicates production of wheat in the year 2005. Before that, I will give some shading marks to wheat and rice. So, for wheat I will do like this. So, this is indication of wheat, and for rice I will do like this. So, this indication shows rice production. Okay, now see, this bar indicates the production of wheat in the year 2005. So, the wheat notation shading mark is like this. So, therefore, I will do like this. Okay, this bar indicates the production of wheat in the year 2005. Next, see, in 2005, the production of rice was 25 ton. So, here 25 comes here. So, here I will draw one bar diagram like this. And this bar indicates production of rice, and rice mark is like this. So, and this bar indicates production of rice in the year 2005. Next, move to 2006. In the year 2006, the production of wheat was 15 ton. So, 15 is here. So, in the year 2006, we need to draw one bar like this. And this bar indicates production of wheat. So, wheat shading is like this. So, this bar indicates production of wheat in the year 2006. Next, in the year 2006, the production of rice was 30 ton. So, 30 is here. So, here we need to draw one bar like this. So, this bar indicates rice observation. So, rice indication is like this, and this bar indicates the production of rice in the year 2006. Next, move to the year 2007. See, in the year 2007, the production of wheat was 18 ton. So, 15 is here, 20 is here. So, 18 comes in between of 15 and 20. So, this bar indicates the production of wheat. So, wheat shading is like this, and this bar indicates production of wheat in the year 2007. Next, in the year 2007, the production of rice was 32 ton. So, 30 is here, 32 comes here. And this bar indicates the production of rice, and this bar indicates, so yeah, this bar for production of rice. So, rice shading mark is like this, and this bar indicates the production of rice in the year 2007. Next, move to the year 2008. See, in the year 2008, the production of wheat was 22 ton. See, 22 is here, 20 is here, 25 is here, 22 comes here. So, here we need to draw one bar like this, and this bar is based on wheat. So, wheat shading mark is like this. So, this bar indicates the production of wheat in the year 2008. Okay, next, in the year 2008, the production of rice was 36 ton. So, 30 is here, 35 is here, 36 comes here. So, here we need to draw one bar. And this bar indicates rice production. And here this bar indicates the production of rice in the year 2008. Okay, next, move to the year 2009. See, in the year 2009, the production of wheat was 22 ton. So, 20 is here, 25 is here, 22 comes here. So, this is for wheat, and this bar indicates the production of wheat in the year 2009. Next, in the year 2009, the production of rice was 40 ton. So 40 is here. So the bar comes here, and this is for rice production, and this bar indicates the production of rice in the year 2009. Okay, next, the last year last one year is 2010. In the year 2010, the production of wheat was 26 ton. So here 25 is here, 26 comes here. So here we need to draw one bar, and this bar for wheat. So we need to shade like this, and this bar indicates production of wheat in the year 2010. Next, in the year 2010, the production of rice was 45 tons. So 40 is here, 45 is here. So here we need to draw one bar. So it comes here. And this bar, so this is for rice. The rice shading mark is like this. So and see, this bar indicates production of rice in the year 2000, the production of rice in the year 2010. Okay, this is all about multiple bar diagram representing production of wheat and rice in 3 different years. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.